Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, another one. I got another one. Holy shit. Monster perch.
Oh, wow.
Oh yeah. Perfecto. Oh, that's my first pickerel. Oh. He's big. Alrighty, that's the biggest crappie I've ever caught. Got him. You got him? Mike's got him. That is a big ass bluegill, man. Got one. Oh, that's a fish. I got a fish. Look at that. Nice Senko.
Small spot.
A little bit. Yep. Big beautiful fish. Yeah, it's a nice fish. Alright guys, so let's see how much this guy weighs.
He's going low. Hold on, I got flyers.
But that's good.
This is average size out here.
Check it out, bro. And there's fish in there this big. First, nice bass.
I'm so wet as hell.
This is, oh my god! I guess for big perch, these guys. So this pink Senko is killing it right now. Yeah, first one all day. Hi.
That's the first photo. Dude, that was right by the boat.
Nice pickerel. Decent pick.
Bass, largemouth.
Oh, 2-pounder.
That's a crappie. There you go. Nice fish. Oh, you got him.
Ooh, nice fish. Nice fish. Release number 2. 3-pound fish.
Oh, you fucking.
Holy
Oh, yeah.
Very good.